Hi, Rusty Stainless here. I've got my DJI Spark remote controller with me here, and I'm getting a bit sick of the little screen. I can't see it, and you know, I have to put on my spectacles and then I can see the thing. Well, what if I had a bigger screen? Can I get a bigger screen? Do I stick an iPad or something in it? What if I could get a 55-inch screen, or bigger if I could afford it, screen for my remote? Let's see what that would look like. Well, it would look like this. That's 55 inches of screen. Pretty good? Okay, let's see how it goes in the real world.
Really bad camera work here, I apologise for that. I absolutely wasn't thinking about the sun. So here's one of the challenges. I'm using the Wi-Fi from the phone to cast to the TV, so I need to have the OTG cable working properly so that the remote control can talk to the phone without upsetting the phone talking to the TV. Unfortunately, the signal from the OTG just doesn't seem to have been constant or reliable. And every time it dropped out, that interfered then with the phone casting to the TV. You'll see there a few blackouts, but eventually it fails majorly. Coming up now, it's dropped out, and boom, that's it. I had to reboot. So if we can get over these challenges, there's potential for this system to work.